Imagine walking through a field where the air itself smells like heaven. That's the magic of jasmine. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Discover Agriculture. Today, we are exploring one of the most enchanting crops in the world, jasmine farming. From its heavenly aroma to its surprising marketing potential, we uncover how you can grow, care for, and profit from the queen of fragrance. Did you know there are over 200 varieties of jasmine across the world? Each has its own personality, from the royal Jasminium Grandiflorum to the sacred Jasmine Sambac used in the temples and perfumes. Choosing the right one depends on your purpose. Jasmine loves the sun. It thrives best in warm regions with temperatures between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Pick a spot that gets plenty of sunlight and has well drained, slightly acidic soil. Good sunlight, proper drainage, and just enough humidity. That's a golden trio for a blooming jasmine farm. Propagation is simple. Just take healthy stem cuttings and plant them 3 to 4 feet apart. This spacing allows air to circulate and keeps diseases away. Water regularly, and once in a while treat your plants with compost or organic manure. They'll reward you with fuller blooms. Pests like aphids and whiteflies may visit, but neem oil spray is your natural shield. Keep an eye out for fungal spots too. A little pruning and a good airflow keeps your plants healthy and happy. Do you know what is the best time to harvest? Early morning when the buds are fresh and the scent is strongest. Regular plucking encourages more blooms, meaning more flowers and more profit. Jasmine sells like gold in perfumes, essential oils, garlands, and even tea. With smart marketing, jasmine farming can turn your land into the fragrant source of income. So, that's the story of jasmine, a flower that doesn't just bloom, it enchants. With patience, sunlight, and care, you can grow something truly magical and profitable. If this video filled your screen with fragrance and inspiration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture. Let's keep growing together.